Hello friends, welcome to my channel. The learning Python, while learning Python, sooner or later we'll have to come to the real life problems or real life examples. So I had made this program after many trials and errors. So I will discuss about this one. Imagine there is a store and selling fruits and vegetables and have so made one store, a dictionary of store, and in that there are fruits and vegetable and its rate. For example, apple, a string apple, and corresponding, this is a key, and corresponding value is 30. That means value is 30 rupees. Banana 20, orange 25, methi 25, spinach 30, potato 20, tomato 15. Okay, now user is having his cart. Okay, for that made another list, not dictionary but list is made, empty list, and n is input how many items. So customer is thinking how many items. For example, he opted for 5 items. Then for I in the range 1 and int n, because this is string, so converted into integer, plus 1. So why I did plus 1 here? Because if I start from 0, then item number 0 doesn't look good. So item number first, in the conventional manner, first item in the list is 1. Although Python is counting it 0, but we want 1 here for more simplicity. So when this is taken 1, so I added 1 here, otherwise it will be 1 item less. So we are using append function. So cart means my list of cart, empty list, append, and append by input. What it is saying, input, put your items, and items I. So I will go through these items, and dot title. Why I made dot title? Because here it is the first letter is capital and all are lowercase. So customer while putting, if he put lowercase, it may be problem, or if he misspell something capital in some inner, that should be all corrected. So dot title will do the correction, as we seen in the string, that string dot title, it will give the first letter uppercase and all lowercase. So while appending only we put this, so no scope for making error. Then we made one more list, L2, also empty list. Here we are appending the rates for this. So for J in cart means whatever items he has selected. Now we have to fetch the rates for this. So for that I'll say L2 append, and rates will be taken from store. So get J, we have the get function. If we say get from the dictionary value, we can retrieve. So first list is of the items, second list is made for the rates for the corresponding items. So these rates will be get from store, from the first dictionary. So now I want to combine two lists, because I have seen on internet there is two lists can be combined into dictionary. There is a zip function. So very simple. I made an empty dictionary. This is customers cart dictionary. We are combining cart list and the values. I mean the prices. So that two list, cart and L2, are combined by dict in bracket zip in bracket cart and L2, these two lists. So this list will be combined and it will form a dictionary. Now we want to sum all the rates also. So for that, sum is equal to 0, and then for k, we have taken I for the first, then j for the, now we want for one more letter, so we have taken k. For k in L2, this price list, sum is equal to sum plus k. So as k will go through this list, it will go one by one, and we say sum is equal to sum plus k, so it will go on adding. So I say print bill, this I made a string, bill is equal to rupees dot and then comma and sum. So we'll say after running how does it goes. So first n, how many items? For example, I opted 5. So enter your item 1, because I had made list from 1 up to n plus 1. So I said apple. You see, I typed all in lowercase. Then banana lowercase. Methi I put some capital and some lowercase. Spinach some capital, some lowercase. Potato some capital, some lowercase. Since we have done dot title, everything is converted into the string. First letter will be uppercase and all the lower. So it will be matching the string of the store. Okay. And two lists will be formed. I have not printed it, but what I have printed the what do you call shopping. Shopping is the combination of two lists into a dictionary. So this is customer dictionary. Apple corresponding rate, banana rate, methi rate, spinach, potato, and then the as we did summation in second list L2. So all are added, and finally I get bill is equal to 125. This looks like professional. This looks very much professional and clear. So we can review it and we can practice it.